If you want to know how to fix problem when you cannot follow someone on TikTok, you've came to the right place. So firstly, let's open our TikTok account, and then I want to show you that I can easily subscribe. So as you can see, I've just followed this guy here. So how can we fix this problem? All we need to do is just to simply hit on profile icon in the right bottom corner right up here. And then just click on more in the right top corner on these three lines. So after that, we need to go to settings and privacy, the last line here. And after that, scroll down to find support and about area. And here we need to click on report a problem. After that, we need to find suitable topic. Now we can find here follow, likes, and comments. So let's click. And then we need to click on follow to open this toggle menu. And as you can see, we have the topic which is called unable to follow a user. So let's click. And as you can see, we have a default answer here. So how can we fix it? Make sure that you've tried it. So when everything is done and it still doesn't work, we need to click on no in the bottom of the screen. So is this problem like solved? We need to click on no. So if we scroll down, we can find need more help. We need to click on it. And then we need to click on add details basically. And here we need to input something like this. I can't follow people. Help me, please. And then just click on submit. So in a few seconds, say maybe minutes, the TikTok support team will receive your feedback, and probably they will fix this problem by themselves, so you don't even have to do something. But make sure that you follow all the steps from this rule here. Maybe you need to wait, maybe you need to do some other steps. So make sure that everything is done, and only after that just send this feedback. Otherwise it won't help. So this is a way of how can we fix problem when you can't follow someone on TikTok. Hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. I wish you a very good day. Goodbye.